Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today, we're going to be making an update on Cardano. Now is pretty much the time to buy Cardano if you're a big fan of it. Look, guys, personally, in terms of making a bigger multiplier, I'm sitting out for Cardano, okay? But the project itself isn't bad. I just want a higher multiplier and I'm playing it more riskier. But that doesn't mean necessarily Cardano itself fundamentally is bad. So for all my Cardano people, listen up, okay? Right now is a pretty good time to buy. Personally, I think the coin can drop a few more cents, but you're really nitpicking it, probably around the 44, 43 cent mark. But for me, it should not be going lower than this blue box. I believe that we are having something very similar where we're going to be pretty much something like this right now, right? We had the dip, we had some kind of correction, we had a rally up a little bit, right? Then we had a sell off, selling off, selling off, but we were bouncing on certain areas, just like we were here. Now, this is also giving me a flashback to pretty much when Cardano on the weekly months ago was doing the same thing here, 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 multiple times here. Yes, on the blue box, you can see it's bouncing multiple times, rejecting, and then it shoots off. That's pretty much how it works in crypto, okay? So overall, I would buy Cardano now, and maybe I'd wait for Cardano to go to 44 and a half, 44 cents. For me, a few cents this way or that way, I don't care. I like this mentality because it's gonna be the same thing for when you're selling, right? If Cardano, let's say, hits 10 bucks, and then you could make a lot of money, but now you see it at 9.79. Like, oh, well, I could have had a little bit more and this and that. There's a chance you're going to be holding it and you get screwed over. So pretty much right now is the time to buy Cardano. When you look at a technical analysis side, I do think it is going to be pretty easy, right? We are above this whole accumulation zone, right? Between the two boxes, you could tell going sideways a lot. Boom, we expanded. Now we're pretty much at this big support zone, which is on top of the accumulation. And for me, it is time to soon pretty much start going back to the equal highs and be looking to break that 76 to 78 cent mark. And that's pretty much it, right? I could give you the whole rundown, but I already made a video on that. In terms of the short-term news, I could see Cardano doing something like this, right? And then start pushing eventually to $1.20. But until that happens, I'm not going to make another video on Cardano. So there we go, guys. There is the update. If you're a big Cardano person, I would buy now. Maybe wait for it to dip a cent or two, but I don't think you can get much lower than that. Now, usually this was supposed to happen right in the beginning of the video, but we're going to do it at the end. I forgot about this. Forgive me. Coinfessions. All right. Joined the bull run October 2023. Came in with about 19K USD. Actually, literally banger time to be buying. That was pretty much the best time. Currently at 40 to 50K with a lot of stress put into it. Been losing since March. I think I'm getting overwhelmed. I just need to make 100K and leave this market. This is draining. Listen, guys, that is pretty much investments for you, right? It's very stressful. But the reason why this guy is stressing out so much is because he doesn't understand the context of things. If you understand the context of things, like, you're going to be chilling way more, right? If you understand technical analysis, the crypto cycles, the institutional adoption, the millions upon millions of people that are in this market and that will be joining this market, then there's no reason to stress. No reason to stress. The fun part's going to happen in a couple months where everything's going to expand, blow up, and that's when we're going to take our bag. No need to stress out, sir.